Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Uh, Stocks for tomorrow, that is 12th Jan. I have three stocks in my radar. First one is IndusInd Bank, looking strong. I would like to make a buy trade in this particular stock if it starts trading above 950. 950 के ऊपर sustain करता है first 15 minutes का candle. I will look for a buy. Intraday target can be 970 to 985. On the higher side, if you're good at trailing, trail it up to 1000 with a stop loss around 924. Okay, purely intraday, and take this video as an educational purpose only, depending on how the index Nifty Bank is performing. So do keep a watch. The second one that I like personally is Bata India. Bata India has shown a good momentum. Now if it continues to trade above 1980 to 85, possible targets can be around 2030 to 2060. On the higher side, if you are good at trailing, you can take it along for much higher target around 2100 and above on a swing basis. But intraday, I would look out for 2025-30 around that. That should be my initial target. And I would maintain a stop loss of levels of 1930 in this particular stock. Third is HDFC Life. Now, HDFC Life looks good to me. If it starts trading above 675, I will look for a buy with an initial target of 685 to 695. On the higher side, it can possibly touch around 707 levels. Maintain a stop loss around 658. If the stocks start trading below 658 in 15 minutes candle, you can exit the trade. I would remind you again, take this video as an educational purpose, and if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe it. Thank you.